Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time to my channel, my name is Atinuke. Guys, I'm really sorry I have cold, but I need to do the voiceover for this video. I can't just upload it without explaining. If I do that, a lot of people will understand. A lot of people will ask different questions, so I need to make this voiceover for you guys to understand what I'm trying to create inside this tutorial. So guys, thanks so much for all the support. Thanks so much for all the love. I really appreciate each and every one of you for the great, amazing support and the growth of this channel. I really appreciate it. May God bless each and every one of you for the amazing support. So let's get right into the tutorial. So guys, I'm just tying my Brazilian wool. I'm tying it around this clothing rack. I love using this clothing rack for tutorial. It's very comfortable. I can easily push it anywhere to finish my my DIY. You understand? So guys, you need to tie and secure this Brazilian wool, your crocheting rack very well. You don't want it to be loose. You must make sure you can see the way I'm dragging it. You can see. So these are the things we are going to be using for the tutorial. Brazilian wool with these coils. You can actually DIY the coils yourself, but I don't want to pass through that stress. Soft life, you understand? So guys, make sure your Brazilian wool you're using is not too long. You don't need it to be too long. You don't need it because eventually the hairstyle will come out so long, which you're going to see the reason why I'm saying that towards the end of this video. Yes, I already cut my Brazilian wool to my desired length. Then I braid with 6 strands. Before, when I started doing the sample before showing you guys, I first braided with 8 strands. Then I noticed the knot to crochet with it was big, and if the knot is big, when you crochet it on your hair, it won't come out so beautiful. Then I started braiding with 6 strands to check maybe it's the perfect strand to braid with, which it was the perfect strands. You don't need to braid this too much, just braid a little for you to secure the knots. When you twist the roots that you want to use to achieve the knot, make sure you twist the Brazilian wool very well before you section it into 3 and start braiding. You don't even need to braid up to what I braid to, but you know me now. I just want to secure it very well so that it won't unravel. Then I started wrapping with 4 strands. I started wrapping with I think 5 strands before, and I noticed the shape was not giving. Then I started wrapping with 4 strands. Yes. So the strand I used to wrap towards the upside is different from the strands I used to wrap towards the downside. That was the reason why I said I need to explain to you guys. I need to do a voiceover. Then we start adding the coils. When I was doing the sample, I didn't really hold a lot of coils, as in the down parts to wrap with, which it was pulling out, and you don't want that to happen. Make sure you hold good amount so that you can wrap your Brazilian wool with it very well. So you can see the way I use my thumb to hold it down, then I start wrapping. And guys, you don't need to wrap too tight, you don't need to wrap too soft. If you wrap it too tight, it's going to be strong and it's going to stand like pencil on your hair when you crochet it. You can see I'm holding generous amounts to wrap with the coils, you understand? Then when I started doing the tutorial, I think I was wasn't on 9 coils, but I noticed it was not giving. Then I reduced it to 7 coils. So I attached 7 coils to it because I wanted that full look. I wanted that gorgeous full look on me when I crocheted. Don't worry guys, I'm going to do a tutorial for you guys, but you have to give me time to do it. I'm a mom of 3. Yes, I'm a mom of 3, but eventually I'm going to give you guys a tutorial which more DIY crochet is coming. Make sure you stick to this channel, make sure you subscribe, and please guys, support your baby girl. Please do not skip the heart. It's very important. You understand? This is what I do for a living. For now, this is what I do for a living. Please support my growth. Support your baby girl. Support me. Do not skip my hand. And make sure you subscribe. So guys, I keep adding the coils, then I wrap. Yes, this part of why I said I need to do the voiceover. I make sure I use the first strand, finish. Then at the down part, I didn't use 4 strands to wrap. I use 3 strands. You know, I told you guys when I did sample, I was using 5 strands. I noticed the down part was shapeless with the sample I did before I show you guys the tutorial, because the hair I was attaching to the Brazilian with the curly hair I was attaching was giving the crochet as in the volume, you understand? So for everything to be rhymed, I need to take out 1 strand of Brazilian wool, which came out so perfect and so good. I keep wrapping to the stage I don't want to add any coily hair again. Oh my god, the final look of this hair was giving, guys. It was really giving. It came out so beautiful. Make sure you wash to the end. It came out so beautiful, so neat, but the down part is do not wrap too tight, do not wrap too soft, wrap it normal, you understand? Because you don't want it to stand when you crochet it. You want it to look good on you. Oh my god, guys, I was like, should I do the installation immediately? Should I do the installation immediately for you to know how gorgeous, how beautiful this DIY came out? I will allow you guys to watch the second part, but I need to explain to you guys very well because I don't want to be answering a lot of questions. I may not be online when you answer, and I don't want to keep you waiting. So that is why I'm putting this voiceover out here for you to understand. So guys, when I finished adding to the stage I wanted, I started wrapping. Yes, I started wrapping to the length I wanted. I'm a long hair babe, but you don't need long length for this hairstyle for you to achieve. Some people may say this is long, but my face is not long, guys. If you watch my tutorial, you know I make long hair. I mean, if I want to go for that length, I go for it. But trust me, for this tutorial, I don't need long length. Then I tie the knot 3 times. I tie it, cut the excess, but do not overcut it. Cut it. So I use a lighter to burn it a little bit, then take it away. Don't allow it to be too much, or else it's going to be sticking to the coily hair. And make sure you use your hand to your both palm to do it very well, so that it won't stick to the hair. So I'll allow you guys to keep on watching the second part. Make sure you watch to the end. Make sure you watch to the end. Thank you, guys.